Hi, I'm Chef Neil, VitaFlow's Keto Chef. I'm going to show you how to make Jessica's chocolate chip cookies. Preheat the oven to 160 fan. Melt the butter, add to the ingredients and mix to form a dough. Cover the bowl with cling film, place in the fridge for 5 minutes to cool. Weigh the dough and divide into 6 equal portions. Roll each portion of dough into a ball, flatten into a biscuit shape and place on the baking tray. Cook for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool. And now your cookies are ready to enjoy.